Hey, what's up guys? My name is Sajid Hassan and you are watching Smart Room. Today I'm going to teach you how to solve a mirror cube in 3 steps. If you want to solve the mirror cube, you must have to know how to solve a 3x3 cube. If you can't solve 3x3 cube, don't worry. I'll give it to the link in description. Now, let's start this video. Now, let's talk about our cube. This is our golden mirror cube, and this is our 3x3 Rubik's cube. Look at this. In this cube, have 3 layers, 1, 2, and 3. And in this mirror cube, also have 3 layers. See? But there have some issues with this cube. Now, look at this. This layer is thin, this layer is fat, and this layer is huge fat. But in this cube, have some colors. But in this mirror cube, we got just one color, but their shapes are not same. We have to combine this shape to solve this cube. Now, back this one. Then let's shuffle the cube. Step number 1. Solve the first layer. Now we will choose the first layer to the flattened one. See, this one is already solved. Now find another one. This one is solved. Maybe this one is also solved. Let's turn it to this corner. Turn like this. Yes. See, this corner is also solved. Now find out the other one, then turn them to this layer. Now you must have to know how to solve a 3x3 cube. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for you to solve this cube. Now find out all the flattened piece. Turn like this. You must have to stay them which one you already combined it. See, we got 5 pieces. Look at this. Maybe this one will stay here, but we have to twist it. Let's twist it. See, this one is solved. Now this one will turn in this side, like this. See, this one is also solved. We just have to find another piece. Where is it, man? Wait, maybe this one. Yes, we got it. See, the last one. Look at this. This one. Maybe this one is the last one. It will turn in this side, like this. See, we solved our first layer. Step number 2. Solve the second layer. Now, this is the right position for the second layer. and this one is solved, and this one are also solved, but this one are not solved, and this one also. These two have to solve, and this two is already solved. Now turn the upper layer to find the right edge for the second layer. This is not equal. Find equal edge. This one is equal, see? But this one is not maybe for second layer. If I turn this edge into this side, see, this one is not for second layer. Try another one. See, this edge is equal. If I turn into this side, see, this one is right for this side. Now this one will come in this side. It's on your left hand, so you have to use the left-handed algorithm. Solve the third one. This is the last one. You have to find the perfect edge for this edge. See, this one is perfect. If I turn into this side, this one is perfect. It's on your right hand, so you have to use the right-handed algorithm. See, we solved the second layer. All edges are solved. Now we can go on to step number 3. We are on step number 3. It's mean first you have to get a yellow cross. Yellow cross mean in the 3x3 cube, and this cube you have to get the equal side. These two will come on the upper side. These two are solved. Rotate the front layer like this and use this algorithm. Then back the two front layer. We solve a yellow cross. It's mean the equal cross. Now we have to find the perfect cross. These two are on the perfect. One on left hand and one on back. Then use this algorithm. We got the right equal cross. Look. Now we have to find the perfect corner. This one maybe stay here, but this one will stay here. See, the sides are same, we just have to twist it. But this one are not same size, this one also, and this one also are not same size. Now this corner, this corner will here, this one will here, this one will here, and this one will stay here. I'm using left-handed algorithm for save this piece. Now look at this. We got the right corners. These two are right. These two are also on the right position. Just we have to twist them. This one will twist like this, and this one will like this. Let's twist these two corners. I'm using the finisher for these two corners. See, first one is solved. Now rotate the front layer like this and use the algorithm 2 times to solve the other one. Then rotate them back. See, we solved 2 layers. Now this 2 will solve. This side will come here, and this side will come here. So I'm rotating the cube, now using the algorithm. See, use 4 times and solve the first one. Then rotate and use the algorithm. See, now let's rotate back the front layer. We solved the cube. Now you can solve the mirror cube. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, share with friends, follow and subscribe my channel. And if you have any problem with any kind of cube, you can ask me in the comment section. See you in the next video.